Hey, have you ever wondered how top Web3 communities manage and token gate their communities, therefore making it super exclusive and private for people that are not their token holders to join? That is something you can do with Collab.Land. Collab.Land is basically a community management and engagement bot that you can add either to your Discord server or to your Telegram server. One of the unique features of Collab.Land is that it tracks and gives membership access only to people that hold your community token and automatically kicks out anyone that sells them, which in turn adds more value to your community token. Hey guys, it's your boy Thompson from OSPN, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how you can add the Collab.Land bot to your Discord server. Now, to add the Collab.Land bot to your Discord server, first thing you want to do is head straight to Collab.Land. Once you are on the Collab.Land website, it's gonna open up. Then you can now select community admin. Now, the community admin is a command center where you can manage your Discord integration, where you can log in with your Discord and manage access as an administrator. Now, something you want to know is that you cannot import the Collab.Land bot to your server if you are not an administrator on the Discord server. Perhaps you created the Discord server yourself. So moving forward, we're just going to log in with our Discord. Now this is going to bring out an authentication message on Collab.Land. I'm just going to log in with my Discord. Now I'm going to authorize this. Now I have successfully logged into the Collab.Land command center with my Discord account. Now when you take a look at this area, you see that I currently have the servers that I'm an admin on. You can see OSPN and then this other one right here. Now you can check all of this and set up everything you need to do, but we're going to come back to this in a jiffy. So just to add the Collab.Land to another server, you can see the add icon here. Click on the add icon, it says welcome Anointing Thompson 1. I can choose a server that I want to install the bot. I have the Adelaab server, which is more or less a dummy server at the moment, and then the Cubic server. Now I have the Collab.Land bot already installed in the OSPN server, so I'm going to choose Cubic right now to install this. Now it's going to bring out an authorization message. Now here are the few things that signing or continuing with this particular action is going to do. It's going to give the Collab.Land team the access to add the bots and access to your username, avatar, and banner, and know what servers you're in and create commands and all of that. So, but it's not going to have an existential crisis. So I would go ahead to, like I mentioned, this particular action requires that you have the managed server permission. So you might not be an admin, but you may have the managed server permission on Discord to add this. And we're going to just continue. Now, here are a few permissions that you're going to give the Collab.Land bot once you authorize this particular action. It's going to manage roles. It's going to be able to manage the channels. It's going to be able to ban members. It's going to be able to view channels. It's going to be able to send message and embed links. So if you're comfortable with that, you go ahead and authorize this. So in this case, I'm going to authorize this. Now that sounded like a notification from the bot. Success. Now the Collab.Land bot is now installed into Cubic. Some quick tips: you can see, make sure your bot is above any roles that you want it to have control over. In your server, you will see these two channels, the Collab configuration and the Collab join. You don't need to delete those channels. First thing, let's go to the Cubic server to see for ourselves. Yes, now we have the Collab.Land configuration and the Collab.Land join. Right now, I myself and Collab.Land bots only have access to these channels as an admin. To find more information about this, you can hit on docs. It's going to leave Discord and bring you back to the support solution articles that are the Collab.Land fresh desk. You can see the Collab.Land join. Now, another thing I want to highlight is that the Collab.Land configuration channel is basically where you as a server manager, a moderator, or an administrator can do all of the configurations that you want to do for the bots to work and function properly. The Collab.Land join is basically where members that you are looking to verify or members that are looking to join your server can go ahead and verify their assets if you've added a token gating mechanism, maybe a token or an NFT or whichever assets in this case. Now let's head back to the command center. All right, so let's set up a token granted role. Just click on select a role. Now I typed contributor knowing fully well that we do not have a contributor role set up already for the Cubic Dummy Discord server. To do that, we have to go back to Discord to set up different roles that we want to assign to members when they verify their asset and join. But for now, I can say, let's work with admin. And I'm going to apply admin and add the description. Now we're going to select the chain type. In this case, I'm going to do Polygon and the ERC20. Now we just have to get the contract address and add the minimum balance here. To get the contract address, I'm just going to quickly go to CoinMarketCap, copy the contract address for Polygon-Matic, and then I'm going to set it up right here. Now we can say before you can become admin, you can add the minimum amounts. In this case, I'll do 10,000 Matic, and the maximum amount of tokens that you can have, which is actually optional, we'll say 100,000. Now this is for the purpose of this tutorial. It don't have to be the way you would set up yours if you are looking to do it. I'm going to click save. Now we've successfully created a token granted role, which is an admin. Now you can see here that these requirements must be met before this role would be granted. So these are a few requirements. Now whoever is looking to be an admin would obviously want to have some Matic in their wallet, and then they need to have a Gitcoin passport, depending on the criteria and the requirements that you are looking to set. So you can add more token granted role here under an admin, but you can go back and select another role depending on the roles that you have. Let's take, for instance, you have a contributor role, and before anyone can become a contributor in your server, they need to have a community token. Let's take, for instance, now your community token is UMA. If you have a contributor role already set, you can decide that anyone that is looking to become a member of your community would have a certain number of your community token, XYZ amounts, maybe 10,000, 20,000, before they can be a part of your community. And whenever they sell off those tokens, they lose access to your Discord server or your Telegram server. Now that is it for token granted role, but something else you might want to do would be to consider the guest pass option, like you can see right here. But before you can use the guest pass, you must subscribe to the pro version of Collab.Land. Now you can buy this here. Now with guest pass, you can temporarily assign a token granted role that would expire at a certain period of time. Let's take, for instance, you want to give guest pass for contributors who are looking to just join your community to host a demo or do some business deal or create some partnerships or do one thing or the other. Maybe they don't hold a certain amount of your community token to be able to access your Discord server. With the guest pass option, you can issue a guest pass to them that would expire temporarily, maybe in 1 week or in 2 weeks, whatever option you decide to go with, and they can access some channels in your Discord server for a certain period of time. And I'll really suggest that you get the pro version of Collab.Land to start making use of this. Now another option and a feature as well that you'd like to explore hopefully would be the role composition option here. You can get that once you subscribe to the pro version. That's when all of this is available to you. You can buy it here with some Collab token, I guess. But with the role composition option, you basically are going to be able to enable the ironed-on OR logic to be able to combine 2 or more token granted roles in order to issue or assign a single Discord role. So I think these are cool options. Now this is an option for you to troubleshoot. You can just add your user ID and then check the Discord roles, and you can do that as well on Discord. Before now, there used to be like a bunch of commands that you can send on Discord to be able to get options, but now since the command center have been released, most of these commands have been depreciated, so you can do a bunch of those things on the command center. But now you can do the /help option on Discord. You can see right here showing .collab help. We're gonna send that and it's going to respond. Now you see that this is help for members. You can verify asset and get token granted roles via Let's Go. You can simply click Let's Go if that is what you want to do. Now you can tip as well on Collab.Land in your Discord server using the /tip command, and this is just for enabled servers. Now back to the command center. These options right here, so you can donate. You can click on here and see the collab care and the support and all of that. Now these are like the few things that you can do on the command center. There are lots of other options and features right here on Collab.Land, and you can see them by going to the mini apps. Now this is what the mini app marketplace looks like. You can see all the apps here. There are the role composition and guest pass option. There is the pull app option. There are kudos, the snapshots, the Sobol, the Canvas for creators, a bunch of apps here that you can use. Like you can see here, there is the Hodlo one, Chain Patrol, the DAO app, the Proof of Humanity as well. There are a few apps here that are free that you can currently install. It's apps like Snapshot as an extension. It's going to help you receive notifications in your DAO or community Discord whenever a snapshot proposal goes live. And then the Sobol as well, this is going to help you do like the cartography things that you basically map using community members that have different Collab token gated roles and Discord guild member profiles as well. They're going to show there on Sobol. It's just like an extension. Now you can install this and start learning how to make use of them. Now let's head to the bot configuration. We're going to check if the bot is properly configured. See, one in bot is not configured correctly. The bot is misconfigured and will not function as expected. Go to server settings rules, move the Collab.Land above admin and make sure no managed rules are used for gating. We're going to go to the server settings and try to adjust the configuration. Now let's go to roles. We are going to move the Collab.Land bot above the admin. Gonna save these changes. Let's go back to the command center. Gonna check the configuration one more time. Now we check no errors found in bot configuration. Now this is already been successful. There's another option here, the community messaging, which is an option you get in the pro version. You can check balance as well. You can customize message, which is an option you can do when you are on the pro version of Collab.Land. Here you can add your title, input the image URL and the description and everything that needs to be done. Now we have successfully installed the Collab.Land bot and configured it successfully on our Discord server. Now you can go ahead and add other token gated roles if you like by selecting roles and going over the process again like we went through them. If you found this video very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to add them there to the comment section and we'll attend to them. See you on the next one.